Watch this if you are over 40. Statistics have shown that people over 40 generally feel that there is no more time to build wealth, and a large percentage of them have given up on wealth creation. They just want to get by. Turning 40 is a significant milestone that often prompts people to reassess their financial situations and goals in life. I am one of those people. Today, I will be sharing with you 7 decisions or actions you need to start taking to make the next 5 years truly financially sensible. Number 1, you need to reevaluate your financial goals. How does the next 10 years look like for you? How does the next 5 years even look like for you? What do you want? You need to set your priorities, focusing on what is most important to you. This could be retirement savings. How much do you want to have by, say, in 10 years? This could also be your children's education. How much do you need to have in place to cover this? Do you want to have paid off your debts? If you have a mortgage loan going on for you, you have to be clear on what you want. And what I always say is that whether or not you plan for the next 5 years or you plan for the next 10 years, the next 5 years, the next 10 years is coming anyways. So it is better that you prepare for it and be ready rather than start having financial anxiety or financial worries when that time comes. The second point is you need to track your expenses. This would reveal to you your spending habits. Everyone has at least one spending weakness. There is that item that you cannot look away from, or that store that whenever you enter, you will definitely pass your boundaries. You need to track all these spends. These spending habits can really be a blow on your budget if you don't track them. Tracking your expenses opens your eyes to your spending habits. I know some people would say, oh, I've been managing without tracking my expenses over the years. I'm good. I can always work around it. You cannot afford to leave things to chance anymore. If you currently feel that you are not in control of your finance and you still have this financial worry, financial anxiety, it means that your method up until now has not been working. You have to try this new method of making budget and tracking expenses if you really want to get ahead in terms of your financial control and in terms of your financial freedom. You have to start doing this in order to make the next few years a real game changer. I have built a simple income and expense tracker which you can use for this purpose, and I will put it in the description box. Yes, you're welcome. The third point, never stop maintaining your emergency fund. And if you don't have one, start building one now. 27% of US adults do not have emergency savings, and according to a 2022 saving report by money.co.uk, 26% of the people in the UK do not currently have an emergency fund. It is important that we aim to save 6 to 12 months worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. My advice is always start now. Take a percentage of your monthly salary and put this into a savings account. Sometimes when I say this to people, what I always hear back is I do not even have enough money to meet my current expenses on a monthly basis. The stability this emergency fund gives you is so immense. No matter how little you earn, take a little portion out to build an emergency fund. It is very important. You will find it very helpful. Number 4, ensure your investments are well diversified to spread your risk. Like our grandma used to say, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is the act of spreading your wealth over different types of investments so that it is not concentrated in just one place. A well-diversified portfolio will have funds invested across a variety of different asset classes such as cash, equity, bonds, commodities, and property. You should also diversify your investment within each class of assets. Diversify your sectors. Don't invest only in technology stocks. I used to make this mistake. Diversify your location. Don't invest only in US stocks. I used to make this mistake. Now I buy UK stocks and China ETFs. Check your stockbroking apps. I am sure they would have these options. Diversify your companies. A healthy spread of investments in both large and small companies across sectors and global markets is the best way to build a diverse portfolio. If you do not know how to start your investment journey, check this video I have right here. It would help you get started. Remember, it is never too late to start. Number 5, consider additional stream of income. My friend once said that this is the time we have the energy to work so we can prepare for when we wouldn't have the energy to work. If you find that your current income is falling short of your financial objectives, it might be a good idea to start considering an additional income stream, maybe freelance work, consultancy, or teaching online courses. This is where you can turn your hobbies into money. You can convert your years of experience, your interest, your skills into extra cash. Adding income streams gives you extra security when it comes to your finances, as well as it helps you boost your wealth growth. If you're thinking, how do I then combine this with my full-time job? I have a video you should watch. I would also be linking it up here. This will give you different options of side hustles that you can combine with your full-time job. Number 6, be part of a community which inspires you to level up your finances. Motivational speaker Jim Rohn famously said that we are the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. This relates to the law of averages, which is the theory that the result of any given situation will be the average of all outcomes. It is important that you closely surround yourself with positive, supportive people who want you to succeed financially. And this is one of the reasons I have set up the GQ Finance community. This is a community dedicated to individuals who want to grow their finances and build wealth so that they can achieve financial freedom together. And individually, they can do one big financial thing which they never thought was financially possible. I will put a link to the community in the description box. You should check this out. Lastly, I want to say that you can and you really should build a more secure financial future. At over 40, we need the freedom and the peace of mind that comes with this. It is never too late. It can never be too late. While I have always been financially conscious, I'm also taking proactive steps to ensure that I am well prepared for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. If you have found this episode super helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss any episode from me. Thank you.